Guys, it's Patrick from Wrestling Nerds. It's Wrestlecrate unboxing time. I've just had a shower and my hair looks wet still, but yeah, it's Wrestlecrate unboxing time. Owen's upstairs, still in bed. I haven't even got my watch on, so I don't know what time it is. So let's get it started. So the first item, supposed to Bray Wyatt. I actually love that. She looks so cool. I'm trying to do it quick and easy again, because that's the way you like it. Next item, t-shirt. I got that Brody King. Just open it up. I don't usually do these on the videos, but because I'm only 53 seconds in, I'm doing good time. Let's have a look. That looks mint. Shame the weather's going to be really hot the next few days, because I generally would be wearing that, but it's going to end up killing me being a black t-shirt. Guess that's saying that correctly. Brody King. Lovely jubbly. What we got next? Pin badge. Robocop and Sting. So Robocop. From WCW. Yeah, Robocop and Sting on the picture. I don't know if you can. I kind of remember seeing it on YouTube years ago, but I've never actually seen it, but I've heard it's very bad. DVD, The Storm, Riptide Wrestling, Brighton Youth Centre. Keyring. We have Wrestlecrate on it. Gonna focus. Kind of get the gist. That's a trolley thing, isn't it? Alright, to go shopping. Little trolley key. Power Slam TV. Trial for a month. Still always got CZW on it. I still need to really start watching these. I generally can't avoid it. Now for the autograph, the one that I've been waiting for. Seth freaking Rollins. It's beautiful, that is. And the wind's coming now. Wait. That's amazing, that's a look. That is cool. I generally do love that. And then what else we got? Last but not least. See that? And that's it. Oh wait, the sticker. Left month's t-shirt. Just call them out. I'm gonna start sticking them on my laptop. I think if to stick on there properly. So guys, that's pretty much it for this month. That is it for this month. So yeah, I think because obviously the Seth Rollins item, there weren't that many items this month generally. You know, generally can't wait for the next month with Roddy Piper. That's pretty much it then for this month's crate, and I generally hope you're enjoying it. If you don't have one, or you've never got one and you're watching these and you think, I might go for it, go for it. They generally are worth the money. So guys, I'm going to say thanks for watching. I'll see you later. If you've enjoyed, like I say, give us a thumbs up, do all that YouTube stuff, subscribe, and we'll see you later.